Good morning, children. How are you all? I hope everyone else sounds good. Today, we are going to see understanding diversity in civics part. Diversity, the word which derives from Latin, which means range of differences. We are seeing lots of differences among us and also around the world. For example, you see in our class, some children are tall, some children are short, some of them fair, some of them dark. Among us, our mother tongue is different. Our eating habit is different. Our festivals are different. So we are seeing lots of differences among us. We come from different backgrounds, belong to different culture, worship in different ways. But we live together. This is known as diversity. We see the diversity of India detailing. India is a home of civilization that is 5,000 years old. Different groups of people from different parts of the world were attracted towards India over the year because of wealth. Some came for the trade with the local people and others were keen to invade our territories. So, diverse race of people migrated into India by land and sea routes over time. Thus the Dravidians, Negroids, Aryans, Mongoloids became a part of a modern Indian race. The people who migrated to India also moved to other parts of the country. So, the movement and the migration of people is a reason for India's rich diversity. We can divide the Indian diversity basis on landform and lifestyle diversity, social diversity, religious diversity, linguistic diversity, and cultural diversity. First, we see the landform and lifestyle diversity. Under this title, landform, physical features of India is varied. High mountains, plateaus, plains, rivers and seas, deserts and various type of weather patterns prevails in India. So, India is known as a subcontinent. These features have an influence upon the people who live in different landforms of the country. For example, those who are living in a coastal area, the main occupation and then eating habit is related to the sea-oriented livestock. And also those who are living in a mountainous or a hilly region, their occupation might be rearing of animals or cultivation of coffee and tea according to the climatic condition of that particular place. Mainly, the diversity of landforms also impact the flora and fauna of that region. The food, clothing, occupation and livelihood of people is linked with the region, natural surrounding and climate. It totally depends on the climate and landforms. If you take the lifestyle, the food and clothing totally vary from place to place. In North India, their staple food is wheat. We are South Indians. Totally we are different from them. Our staple food is rice. If you come and see the clothing style also, it's varied from place to place. We South Indian wears sari. In North India, most probably they wore pajamas, kurtis, etc. It shows the climate and the landforms dominate the lifestyle of the peoples in that particular place. Next, social diversity. If you take social diversity, it can be divided into two divisions like interdependence and coexistence, and family and society. We all interdependent of one another, which we call it as a community. A community is a place where people live together with a common interest or heritage. A community is made up of peasants, laborers, artisans, parents, teachers, youth, students, and many others. For a comfortable livelihood, communities depends on each other. Where the community will come? Only from the family and the society. Families constitute the fundamental unit of society. There are two types of families majorly prevails in India. One is joint family and another one is nuclear family. You know what is joint family? Live together with a grandparent and aunt and uncle. That we call it as joint family. Nuclear family, the family consists of 4 to 5 members, that is father, mother and their children. Think here which type of family you are belongs to. So the families brings the society brings the community. Definitely the need of people and the interdependence of community for amenities such as water, food, electricity, education, schooling and so on brings us together to live in the harmony. Next we see the religious diversity. You know, India is the birthplace of many religions and has become a home of many others. For example, Hinduism, Islam, Christianity, Sikhism, Buddhism, Jainism and Zoroastrianism flourished in India. Our constitution declares India to be a secular nation in which all the religions are treated equally. The freedom of religion is a fundamental right. And also, India is known as the land of festivals, where people from different religions engage in many colorful celebrations in different parts. For example, festivals like Pongal, Diwali, Holi, Ganesh Chaturthi, Bihu, Kumbh Mela, Onam, Ramzan, Miladi Nabi, Christmas, Raksha Bandhan are some of the festivals that denotes the cultural diversity of India. Next, we are going to see the linguistic diversity, which means language diversity. According to Census of India 2001, India has 122 major languages and 1599 other languages. The Constitution of India recognized 22 languages as official languages. The Government of India has declared the Tamil as a first classical language in 2004. Apart from Tamil, 5 other Indian languages have been declared as a classical languages by the Government of India. Since Britishers were ruled our country more than 300 years, so English became a prominent language and Hindi is our national language. Most probably 41% of population are speaking Hindi. Like these are the diversities, its state of being different from each other. So we call it as India is the land of unity in diversity. Here we stop the lesson. Later we'll see the cultural diversity and unity in diversity in the part 2 video. Now it's a time you to take a note and answer the following questions. Thank you. Till then, signing off, your Vijalakshmi ma'am.